Hey, it's Doug here at Santa Clara Cycle. Today we're looking at this beautiful 2003 Yamaha YZF1000RR. This is Yamaha's full-size super bike. Has the 998cc fuel-injected 4-cylinder engine, 6-speed transmission. This is a clean title California bike. Very low miles on this, only 7,794 miles, original miles on the odometer. This bike has the Scott's steering dampener, steering stabilizer, good addition. New tires, front and rear. Has the Gregg aftermarket exhaust. Little cosmetic damage here and there, but otherwise in great condition. Corbin seat. This Yamaha R1 is a great deal at only $49.95 with finance options available. Stop on by Santa Clara Cycle and check it out. Reach out 408-730-0600.